Hello, teachers! I am June Maog. Welcome to Google Workspace Storage Management for Educators, a guide to staying organized and avoiding storage limits. Your school domain Google Drive or your DepEd account is purely for educational purposes. In this short video, we will discuss what you can and cannot store in your DepEd account. We will talk about which files you can store in your domain and which ones you should not. Which files are okay to store in your DepEd account? Lesson plans, student work, curriculum materials, collaboration documents with colleagues, and other work-related files are of course okay to store in your DepEd account. Which files are better stored in your personal account and not your DepEd account? Remember that it is best to avoid storing personal files in your school domain drive as they take up storage that's supposed to be just for school or work-related purposes. Examples of files that should be stored in your personal account are as follows: documents for your graduate studies, research materials for your graduate classes, digital copies of personal files like birth certificates, IDs, NBI clearance, etc., photos and videos of personal nature, and other non-school related files. Again, it is best to avoid storing personal files in your school domain drive. Remember that your Google Workspace storage is shared with all DepEd employees, offices, schools, and students in the entire Philippines. Once a quota is reached, new files cannot be created or stored anymore. Thank you. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something about better managing your Google Drive storage. Bye!